Welcome to another video lesson of research methodology, the last part of measurement and scaling, errors in measurement. What do you mean by measurement error or errors in measurement? The measurement error is the difference between the true value and the measured value. It is the difference between the measured value and actual value or true value. These are errors occurred in the process of measurement and scaling in research. There are possibilities of occurring errors in the process of measurement and scaling in research. The errors in measurement are such errors. Measurement and scaling should be accurate, precise, and unambiguous in an ideal research study. Proper understanding about the sources of these errors helps the researcher to take precautions and to make the measurement process error free. So the measurement process should be free from errors. So proper understanding about the sources of these errors are required to take precautions and to make the process of measurement free from errors. Measurement error may be classified into gross error, systematic error, and random error. Systematic error may be further classified into instrumental error, environmental error, and observational error. First one, gross errors or human errors. These are errors occurred from the part of the measurer or researcher. These are errors committed by the measurer or researcher in the process of measurement. Following are the main sources of these errors. First one, carelessness of the measurer. Lack of care from the part of the researcher may lead to human error. Then lack of ability and skill of the researcher to use the tool. If the researcher is not an expert in using the selected measurement tool, the gross error may occur. Then wrong behavior and style of the interviewer. If interviewers are appointed for conducting the survey, the wrong behavior and style of the interviewer may influence the quality of responses. Then inability of the researcher to interpret the result. The researcher may not be able to interpret the result from the value obtained from measurement. Second one, systematic errors. Systematic error is the error caused by any factors that systematically affect the measurement of the variable. These errors are consistent or repeatable errors that cannot be reduced when observations are averaged. These errors cannot be reduced even when the observations are conducted number of times or averaged. These are errors caused by the defects of instruments, imperfect methods of observation, and the interference of the environment. The causes of these errors are defects of instrument. A defective instrument is used for measurement. Then imperfect methods of observation. The methods of observation selected for measurement may be wrong one. Then interference of the environment or the influence of the external factors or environmental factors. Then it may be in the form of instrumental error, environmental error, and observational error. Instrumental errors are the first category of systematic errors. Instrumental errors are caused by defective measuring instrument. Sometimes the measuring instrument may be a defective one. Then inherent limitations of measuring devices. Measuring devices may have some limitations which cannot be avoided. Then wrong construction of the instrument. Sometimes the instrument may be constructed or installed in a wrong way. Then complex words, poor printing, ambiguous meaning, inadequate space for replies, response choice, omission, etc. of questionnaire. In the case of questionnaire, the complex words used for drafting questions, then poor printing of questionnaire, then ambiguous meaning of questions, inadequate space for replies given in the questionnaire, then response choice, omission, etc. may lead to instrumental errors. Then non-standard instrument, that means if the instrument is not a properly validated standard instrument, the instrumental errors may occur. Second type of systematic errors are environmental or situational errors. These are errors due to the external condition of the measuring devices. These are errors due to the environmental factors or the external condition of the measuring devices, such as unfavorable external environment of the study, then effect of temperature, humidity, dust, sound, etc. in the environment. Then anonymity of the interviewer. If the interviewer is not familiar with the respondent, then the respondent may be reluctant to disclose the information. Then wrong time and situation of the study. The time and situation selected for the study may be wrong. Then situations which create biased. The third and last category of systematic errors are observational errors. These are errors occurred in the observation process. Observational errors are those errors which are occurred in the observation process. It may be due to wrong selection of measurement tool. A wrong measurement tool is selected. Then wrong observation method. The method of observation selected may be wrong. Then poor sampling method. Improper sampling method may be selected. Then errors occurred while reading the values of scale. Values of scale is correct, but errors occurred while reading the values. Then errors from the part of the participants of a survey. There are possibilities of occurring errors from the part of the participants of survey. What are the errors that can be expected from the part of participants or respondents of a survey? First one, respondents may be reluctant to disclose information or express feeling. Respondents may be reluctant to disclose information because of many reasons. For example, the respondent may think that the results of the survey may be used for taxation by the government, like that. Then respondents may have little knowledge but may not admit his ignorance. Respondent may have no knowledge or little knowledge about the construct asked, but he may not be ready to admit his ignorance. Then fatigue, boredom, anxiety, prejudices, attitudes, etc. of the respondent may limit their responses. Then mental feeling of the respondent may not be suitable to answer the question. The current mental feeling of the respondent at the time of survey may not be suitable to answer the question. These are all the reasons for errors from the part of participants or respondents of the survey. The third and last category of measurement error is random errors. These are normal errors that can be occurred in any measurement process. These are normal errors or unavoidable errors that can be occurred in any measurement process. Random error is caused by any factors that randomly affect measurement of the variable across the sample. These are normal errors caused by any factors that randomly affect the measurement process. Random errors are due to unknown causes, not determinable in the ordinary process of making measurement. Such errors are normally small and follow the laws of probability. They can be reduced by taking the average of multiple numbers of measurement. It can be reduced by taking multiple numbers of measurement and taking the average of that measurements. Then the last topic, how to reduce measurement errors. What are the precautions to be taken for reducing measurement errors? First one, use a standard and properly validated instrument. Always use a standard and properly validated instrument for measurement. Then pre-test the instrument. It is better to conduct a pre-testing of the instrument before conducting the actual measurement. Then double check measurements and measurement tools. The measurement and measurement tool should be checked continuously to ensure that the measurement process is free from errors. Then check reliability, validity and sensitivity of the scale. Then provide proper training to the measurer or interviewer who conduct the measurement. Then take the measurement under controlled conditions. Then repeat the measurement in similar condition and take the average. Repeat the measurement or conduct the measurement in number of times and take the average score of the measurement as final measurement value. Thank you.